Okay, I don't know what just happened there, but we are live again. If Pawan can send me her join request. The Facebook glitches, I tell you.
They are rebranding.
Okay. Adding Pawan. Hey, Pawan.
Hey, can you guys see me and hear me?
Yes, we can see
Hey,
you.
Manju.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
I don't know what just happened. The live session just ended on its own. I have to start again. I hope it saved the session that we just did.
I must admit I quit. I was clicking something and it just happened to be leave the session, and I'm like, no, I don't do that. Hey, Manjuri,
now we are back on. So, do you want to introduce yourself to our viewers, Pawan?
Yes, first, hi Anu, hi Manjuri, and hi everybody who's watching. I'm Pawan Anand. I'm also called Pawan Singh after marriage. I just moved to Canada 7 months ago, and I'm a marketer by profession and education. So I have an MBA in marketing. But I think I just started crafting as a hobby, and then I opened my own event company because of the craft I used to do. And in Canada, I just thought, okay, let me start off, let me network, let me meet people. And I've met all your bunch of wonderful women. And so I've started crafting.
That is amazing. And we've seen the trays that you make and package. They are simply fabulous. Do you want to show some of your products and the things that you make?
Yes, I have displayed it for everyone to see. So these are basically the
Robi smile right there. Yay for Robi.
Yes. Oh yeah,
Yes, Pawan, same to same.
Power to you girls.
So this is the range of Diwali stuff that I have made. These are my most favorite. That is the glass candles. I've just added in a color which is yellow because I just thought that some pop would look nice, because otherwise it was all gold and off white.
Yes, it does look
and
nice.
then
It's popping, right?
Have all these are going out today. And then we have these trays, we have these portly bags that have the Happy Diwali glitter on it.
Is that glitter on it? What exactly is that?
Yes, this is glitter. You can wash it in your washing machine. Completely handmade, yes. Yes, and I've just done some detailing with some tassels just to give it a very festive look. Now we have these choco pans that have been very cutely packaged so that people would want to just strip it open and eat it up. So just creating that curiosity with some packaging. Thank you. And this is my most favorite piece. This is more like a coffee table top, which you can also use on your your kitchen counters, the island tables. When you have like a group of people, you place this, you put in stuff, and there you go. You just have a setting right there. Like just theme it up, put whatever you want. Yes. So this is my Diwali collection.
So what kind of work is on that, the tiny thing that you showed us? What do you call it, first of all?
This one is a tabletop. It's an accent.
Tabletop. And is it the wood burning thing, or what exactly is that made of?
This again is I don't know if you can see it. This again has
that design that you have.
Yes, this is a permanent. In a layman's language, I would say a sticker, but it is for home use.
Wow.
So it's called a vinyl, and it has a few more variants of vinyl. So that's what you use at home, but then you seal it with a wood finish that I do. This one is not finished because I said if people want some customizing, some names or Happy Diwali written around, I could do that.
Of the customizations, right?
Yes, yes, personalized, customized. So it's a very nicely finished off product.
It is.
And
Roman says gorgeous. Aradhana says these are so pretty.
Thank you. And I have them in 3 sizes. So depends. Like if someone has a huge island table and they want something bigger, you know, you can't keep something small, then they can opt for the bigger ones. This is a versatile piece, I would say, because you can use this even after Diwali. Like it's not very Indian, not very specific, right? Like you could still keep a planter on it and still place it somewhere. So it looked really nice. So yeah, some designs that I came up with for this Diwali. And I'm very happy with the response. And thanks to you girls for helping me reach out to like very prospective people.
Yeah, you teamed up with more of our local Bostonians, so you know it all worked out. You all made a really good team. And
Thank
that
you.
Is exactly what I told you. You know, these are the people you need to work with.
And I think that kind of work.
So much initiative also.
Exactly.
And bringing all the
everyone together. Exactly.
You.
It was all your ideas that this thing could come together. So
Thank
kudos to you and your efforts.
Thank you. I just felt that it is very, as a community, like since we're already in it together, it is very important to complement each other's produce, you know, or what each one is doing. Because if I am gifting, I cannot possibly make everything. Like I cannot make the laddus. I cannot make, like, you know, bring in the almonds that we have tied up with Romal.
So Ritika Pal, who joined us yesterday, is the one whose laddus are in Pawan's basket.
Yes, that's Ritika.
Are there. Romal
Chocopan,
California almonds are there. Who else is partnered with you?
So we have almonds, and Romal has contributed to that. Then the laddu is with Ritika.
Yep.
Then there is Chocopan, Shagufta. We have wax melts. Unfortunately, I haven't got some here because
Mason Noor is there as well. So all the makers, because you have 4 different makers associated with you. I believe you put their information at the end of the back of the packaging, right? So people can contact them.
Yeah. So whatever they give me, I just put it into it. So whether they want to put in their branding, their labels, whatever it is, it has gone in as is. Only the packaging and the presentation is where I step in, right? So that's what I would want to promote further. This was a very short notice, it was a very short notice that we worked with, but I've spoken to Manjari, for example, for the yoga. We tried to see how we could bring in yoga into the Diwali, but I think we have to work on a few other events.
Maybe put coupons.
And we'll have a lot of opportunities, right? Even like this is a beginning. Diwali was yoga is an all year round thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we can keep.
Yeah, so we still have to Manjari.
Wellness these days is essential,
Exactly.
When everybody is at home, working from home. Nobody is going out. There's hardly any physical activity. So it's important that everybody keeps fit.
So we'll
and
we'll come up with more ideas for sure.
Yes, we have to meet. In fact, extending the thread further, when she said that your peace of mind is so important, and that breathing kind of just brings in your chakras in line. That is so essential, which in today's hectic world we don't realize it, right? So it is very important. I would say what I do, crafting, what I do has a therapeutic effect. Like, not as good as the yoga, but crafting is therapeutic by itself as well, right? Because when you are creating something, when you are sitting down and each and every element of the piece you're putting together, your mind and your concentration is so heavy on the craft to get it right. Your hands have to be fine. So your concentration is so high that I find it therapeutic, like So
okay, coming back to your products.
yes.
So, are you giving away something? Do you want to tell our viewers if there's a giveaway
Yes.
from Crafty?
Yes, there is a giveaway from me and from Crafty Art. That's my venture. So I'd like to give this tray. So you can see the mandala
design in between.
Yeah,
oh,
so
wow.
it's a nice square tray, but please don't use this to serve people. It's not a serving tray. It's a tabletop tray.
Not dishwasher safe.
Not dishwasher safe. If you want to wash it, let me know how it works and how it turned out. So that's entirely up
So
to
not
you.
for food, people. It's maybe you can put a candle on top.
I'm going to team it up. So right now, let's work and see what we can give people, make it more exciting. I'd like to give this candle, and let's see, we probably put in all my favorites. These are all cute for the house.
You keep increasing it. Wow, okay. Lovely.
Give
That's
this.
the giveaway from Crafty Art. Go give her a follow on Instagram.
Yes, so this is what is coming out to work.
Your links, all your contact info in the comment section. That goes for both of you, so that our lovely viewers can go and give you a follow and DM you if they need your services.
For sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.